guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I did to make this vanity, but there's one thing that I ask of you. I'm almost at 150 subscribers. I'm so excited, so please stop what you're doing and subscribe and help me get to 150 and beyond. Thanks, and I'll see you in the video. The 5-drawer rolling letter press shelf that I'm going to be using for this DIY. It's actually on sale for $60 right now, so that's a plus. So I'm in the car with my dad right now. We just came from Michael's. We actually caught a sale. The drawers were $59.99 a piece, but the sale had expired like 10 days ago. But the cashier still gave us the sale, so the total would have been $237 something, but it was, let me look at the receipt, but it was $127.18. So I just got home from Michael's Home Depot, and we also stopped at an antique shop. That's where I got my mirror. I also bought some stain for my wood top of the dresser, so I'm about to start staining it. So this is the wood after the first coat.
Thousand years later.
So here I took an old penny bank and spray painted it with metallic spray paint. I then searched pictures of Chanel perfume logos on Google. I picked the one that I liked the best, and then I went to go print it out. Okay, so at first I did the 2 5x7 pictures, and it came out as this little corner right here and this whole page of paper, and there's nothing I can do with that, so I decided to print the full page version, and it's perfect to fit on the front of this can. To apply the label to the can, I'll be using a glue stick, and I also got some cute ribbon to make the can look better. Here I got this little plastic thing from Family Dollar, I think, and that's just to hold like my daily makeup supplies and stuff. This mirror, I got this mirror from an antique shop for $50, which I think was a really good deal. This is the can, the pencil holder can that I made earlier in the video, and it just goes so much with the desk. And these are storage drawers. In this one, I put all my lady stuff. In this drawer, I made it a sock drawer. I think this one's empty. This one's empty. And this one has all my nail polish and stuff in it. This one has all my makeup products and stuff. Highlighters, lip stuff, face primer, more lip stuff. And these are makeup wipes. And of course, eyeshadow palettes and a mirror. In this one, I have hair stuff, my flat iron, clippers, 1 curler, brushes, and combs. This one, I just have like a spare hair bundle because I'm making a how I make my wigs video soon, so watch out for that as well. And there's nothing in these ones.